Over the places that you went, and let's say like if someone wanted to, relax, is there some good parks you can recommend? Like, what place did you like going to in Prague?
The place that I lived at in Prague, it was in close proximity to Prague 2, Prague 3, and Prague 10. So there are a lot of parks around there, from the beer garden, Rigorovy Sady, to even Havličkovi Sady, which is another place with, I believe it was a grape or winery. And it had a beautiful views of the place, and I could just walk down from where I used to live, literally just 5 minutes away, and just enjoy amazing views of Prague. Honestly, great place to go, just to chill, just to, readjust, especially when you feel really tired from all the time that you've spent cooped up at home studying or cooking or whatever it is that you need to do to pass the exams. But apart from that, I also like visiting cafes. One of them I've mentioned before on this channel, which is in Prague 6, called Misto. So next to it, there's Letna Park, amazing place to go to, amazing view of the Vltava River, as well as an overall view of Czech Republic. Freaking amazing. And yeah, all these sites make it a lot more exciting to understand that you're given a privilege to study here, despite how grueling and tiresome it can get and monotonous with all the exams and internships. So yeah, make use of the views in Prague, and these are the main places that I went to around the city. Maybe the last one I could recommend would be Petrin Hill. And yeah, these are the main ones that you can go to, especially in the middle of classes or something if you have a bit of a break. But apart from that, obviously there are good hiking spots even within Czech Republic, outside of Prague, so do check them out.